3 impossible to get, hard to get, rare, coveted, limited edition Hermes pieces. Never skip an Hermes airport. Time for another dose of unboxings. We have a limited edition Hermes haul. A quick one, small, but 3 limited edition pieces. This might be the first time or the third time I'm posting this. I'm sorry. I film, as you guys know, I mean, it's an unboxing channel, so obviously I'm gonna box it a few times. But I usually film the unboxing right when I get it, so that's usually somewhere else in Paris or wherever I buy it. Then I have to pack it back up, do the VAT, and then I'll usually film another one on the plane because I like doing the plane ones. And then I'll pack it back up for customs. And then I'll film another one when I get back home and I actually unbox it so I can use it. So this is that third one, even though I probably haven't posted the other 2 yet. So that's just, and then randomly I'll just unbox it again, just for content, okay? So don't come for me if you've seen this unboxing already or if you're gonna see it. This is what I do, get over it. So I have a little unboxing. Okay, so this is the Hermes haul. Time for another dose of unboxing. Let's do it this way. I'll do this really quick, okay? So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, shopaholique, and today we have 3 beautiful little limited edition pieces. Hard to get, impossible to get, hard to get, rare, coveted, maybe now sold out, not available anymore because I asked for them and they're not available anywhere else now. Pieces. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing of them and then we will maybe even use them. What? Okay, so like I said, anyway, okay, so I got these actually at the airport, which is why I say never skip an Hermes airport. Never skip an Hermes airport, because I got these 3 limited edition pieces, which I was not able to get in any other store, which I've asked for and I was not able to get. So this was actually from my last trip to Amsterdam, where I also got a bag, but we're not gonna unbox that now because I feel like I'm getting a little heat and a little stressed about so many bag unboxings. I'm drawing a little too much attention to myself and I'm getting a little scared about that. So also, like, I think it comes off the wrong way that I'm so fortunate to get all these bags for other people that are not able to, and it's a little bit like rub it in their face, but kind of, and yeah, anyway, okay, this got really somber, so I might cut this. So this is from, like I said, this is from airport, and I got very lucky with these 3 things, and another thing which we'll probably have to do in a separate video because it's a bag. Okay, so let's do these, okay? So if you watch that video, I was shopping with the SA and there was a whole issue with somebody cutting in front of me and all that stuff, but anyway, that drama was gone. They brought me out these pieces. I had asked for a few other limited things because I always try to ask for limited things because I feel like at the airport you have a better chance of getting a limited thing because not that many people shop there as much. They do get some stock and rare stock, but they do get some limited things. And because not that people know about it or are willing to ask for it, they might be sitting there for a while, you know what I mean? So we have 3 things. Funnily enough, this one, I thought this one would go in this bag, but this one goes in this bag. Oh, the price is here, 650 euros. We'll do them in order, smallest to largest, but first, I'm gonna have to film this for the TikTok, so I'll be right back. Oopsies! Of course, me and all my silliness filmed the TikTok version and then forgot to film this version. So everything's already unboxed, which was the plan anyway. Okay, this is the first thing. So cute, top of the box. It is this little Calvi Duo card holder in jaune minton with the Spring Panther, which they did 3 animals, an owl, the panther, and zebra maybe? I don't remember what the third one is. And so it's painted on, and it's swift, and it's like a hungry one and then a satisfied one on the other side, I think. I don't know how to explain it. And the cool thing about it is it comes with a little dust cloth to protect it. You can put your cards on this side, but then it's the Duo, because the regular Calvi, it's hard because the cards slide back and forth, but this one, it's got a little button to keep the pouches, the section separate. And then you can either change in here or whatever else you want, but then you can like slide it out to get easy access and not have everything spill or have to dig into it, which I thought was kind of cool. That's that. I honestly don't know if I will ever use this, but I think it might be a good gift, so it might be gifted. Because I already have so many card holders, and this feels a little too like much of a piece of art to actually use. So maybe I'll save it, maybe I'll share it, maybe I'll... But I had to get it because it was there, and it's limited, and Shopaholic. I have to buy things that are limited. Okay, the next one is this one, which actually I thought this should have come in the bigger box and this should have gone in this box, but that's not how they came. This one was 650 euros. I actually already opened it and put it to use, so we'll do it last, and it's my most favorite because it is the most coveted thing and the rarest thing, I think, in terms of these three. Everyone keeps asking for it. It's very popular and it's very hard to get, and it's not your normal thing. So, and I think, well, I'll just show you. Okay, it's the Kelly. Came in this tiny box. No, just kidding. It's the Fringe Twilly. So it's a lesser, like it's I think a limited launch. I've seen it in black, Caban, maybe blue, a dark blue, and then this color. Maybe the red too. I think it's like in the, you know, the classic house colors. So it's got these fringes on the sides. So it's not your regular Twilly, which I like because not everyone's gonna have it. It's a little more limited. And I've asked for this everywhere. Nowhere else has it. I think that they've stopped. Either they stopped or they're so sold out it's impossible to get because they haven't had it in months in Paris. My last couple of trips, they haven't had it in the US. Like just everywhere I ask, I don't get it. So I tied it super taut, which I want to do a video of. But what I like about this, and actually all Twillys is, right, you got to make them even on each side and then have it kind of stick out. And you usually want this to stick out. But you can do this diagonal this way, where they're both pointed in, or you can do diagonal this way, where they're both pointed out. I think this is better in terms of fringe because you want it to be kind of not so, though it's really hard to get in and out of the bag without the fringes going everywhere. They are quite long, even for, I think, my 35 too. So they don't always, that's why I like tie it extra tight, but they don't always, so I put them on the side. I think it's cooler on the side because he has a little shoulder pad, like 80s, 70s, whatever vibe, cowboy vibe. They're on the sides, and they're also not in the way of when you open and close it. You can just get in. Maybe I'll use this one today. I have to transfer everything over. Okay, TBD. Okay, so that's the second one. And oh, it's gold on one side, and the other side, which you can't see right now, is black and gold. So you can wear it with both those colors or on any other color bag because it's just a beautiful neutral. I actually really love it, how this looks. Okay. So there's that one. Then the last one, which came in the biggest box, makes at least sense that it came in this box. It's not as limited, but it's just a little different than your normal average Twilly. It's another Twilly, but it's this dog Twilly with all these cute little dog faces. So when you tie it at the end, the dogs will pop out. But the limited part about it, or the not as common, is the leather lining. So it's got a gold leather lining all across from it, which I don't actually know what purpose that serves when you tie it. I guess just when you're showing it, it's got a little leather detail. This side is black, where it's black. Again, and this side is gold, so you can double it up. Also, use it as a, you know, I don't know how people tie Twillies on their bodies, but something like this, right? Or the fringe one would be actually really cool to wear on top of an outfit. Should I do that? How does this look? Anyway, okay, that's the video. I'm probably already showing you these guys because, as I said, I've unboxed these multiple times. I'm trying to get back to posting more. I know it's unbearable. Shorts a lot more, TikTok a lot more. I started doing my subscriptions again, so if you are not subscribing, go get and subscribe. I have my Hermes tips on there, tips and tricks to get it back, in my humble personal experience and opinion. Okay, that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your with me, and I'll see you in the next one, baby.